Episode 6, The Legacy of Mesopotamia. Today, we look at the amazing things from Mesopotamia. These people changed the world forever with their brilliant ideas. We still use their inventions in our daily lives today. The Sumerians created the very first system of writing. They wanted to keep records of their food and their animals. This early writing used small pictures on wet clay tablets. Later, it became the symbols we call cuneiform script. Because they had writing, they also started the first schools. Wealthy boys went to school to become professional writers. They practiced for many hours every day on clay tablets. Education was the key to a good job in the city. Mesopotamians loved stories, and they loved to keep information. They built large rooms to store thousands of clay tablets. These were the first libraries in the history of humans. They kept history and science safe for many years. The gift of the wheel. Moving heavy things was very difficult for ancient people. The Mesopotamians invented the wheel to solve this big problem. First, they used it for pottery, to make beautiful bowls. Then, they put wheels on carts to travel long distances. The wheel changed how people moved from city to city. Traders could carry many goods to faraway lands easily. This made the Mesopotamian cities very rich and very powerful. They traded grain and cloth for gold and precious stones. The people of Babylon were excellent at counting and math. They created a special system based on the number 60. They did not use the number 10 like we do now. This choice changed how we measure time and circles. We still use the Babylonian number system every single day. 1 hour has 60 minutes because of these ancient people. 1 minute has 60 seconds for the exact same reason. Their math is alive in every clock in the world. Mapping the circle. Mesopotamians also looked at shapes and geometry very carefully. They decided that a full circle has 360 degrees. This system helps us with maps and building houses today. It is one of their most important gifts to science. Farmers needed to know when the river water would rise. Priests watched the moon to count the passing days. They created a calendar with 12 months in a year. This helped everyone plan for food and big festivals. The night sky was very clear. In ancient Mesopotamia, people studied the stars and the movement of the planets. They could predict when an eclipse would happen in the sky. They were the first true astronomers in human history. Doctors in Mesopotamia used plants and oil to help people. They wrote down the symptoms of many different physical illnesses. They believed that hygiene was important for a long life. They even performed some basic surgeries on the human body. Mesopotamians wanted to show the world on a flat surface. They drew the first maps on small pieces of clay. These maps showed their cities and the great rivers nearby. It was the beginning of how we see our world. Living in a desert required very smart engineering ideas. They built long canals to bring water to dry farms. They also created heavy walls to protect their beautiful cities. Their buildings were strong and lasted for many centuries. They believed that a city needs rules to stay peaceful. King Hammurabi wrote the most famous set of early laws. These laws were carved into tall stones for everyone to see. It was the first time justice was written for all. Mesopotamia showed us how to live together in big groups. They invented city planning and organized public spaces. They built markets and parks for the people to enjoy. Their urban ideas are the base of our modern cities. From the wheel to the clock, Mesopotamia is everywhere. They were the first to dream of a big civilization. Their inventions helped humans grow and learn for 5,000 years. We must remember the cradle of our modern world. What was the connection between writing and the first libraries? A. Libraries were used to sell clay to students. B. They needed a place to store thousands of historical records. C. Writing was only used to build the library walls. Thanks for watching. To understand Mesopotamia, we must look at how everything worked together. They did not just invent the wheel. They used it to build a global trade network. They did not just watch the stars. They created a math system that we still use to tell time today. All these things, writing, law, science, and engineering, formed the first true civilization. Without the clay tablets of Sumer or the laws of Babylon, our modern cities would look very different. They were the pioneers of the human story.